What's up, ladies and gents? Social Nurse here with more news concerning the country of Nigeria, located on the continent of Africa. Well, east of the continent of Africa are islands, and a set of these islands are known as the Seychelles. Seychelles Islands, and they are located in the Indian Ocean. The Seychelles island government has banned Nigerian passport holders. They're banned. And speculation, or what I'm reading, is that crime has risen. Crime has risen, and they've associated it with Nigerian visitors or Nigerian passport holders. Interesting, social nurse.